So this is a given problem in this way. In sample scientist, there are two types of sample scientist here: single sample scientist and paired sample scientist. Two sample scientists will be there. One sample scientist, we call it as a two sample scientist here. So in the one sample scientist, the question will be like this. So you see this question yesterday already we have seen. In these words per minute, the values are given, and here to get the value sign, plus sign, minus sign, this 60 will be taken as an average number. With the help of this 60, we are going to get the plus and minus sign. So yesterday already we discussed. So here one thing I mean to say, when we are doing a sign test problem, so the procedure is the same for small sample scientist and large sample scientist, and this is the formula for single sample scientist and paired sample scientist when n is less than 25. So we call it as a small sample scientist problem here. N is less than 25. Okay, when n is greater than 25, it is a large sample scientist here. So this is a formula for small sample small samples. Okay, for both the scientist values. So here the few problems are there. Please, yesterday I have informed you to do the problem. So try to do the problem. So these are the Z critical values. Already we have seen yesterday only. Then next one, I am moving to the large samples. So here the problem is given. Large sample scientist here. Okay, to test the claim that the median age of mathematics faculty in the state community college at least 42 years here. At least 42 years is the average number, and the results from the random sample is 32 mathematics faculty gave the following ages in years. So these are the ages of the faculty members. Use scientist at 5% LOS to test the claim. So the procedure is the same, but in this given question, the sample size is 32 mathematics students faculty are there here. So you see this one, just once counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So here n is greater than 25. Okay, 20 above 25 values are there here. So it is a large sample test here. In a single sample scientist, this is the another method, we call it as a large samples. So the procedure is a common here. So you see the procedure: setting hypothesis. So first of all, we need to set the hypothesis that h naught mu is equals to mu naught, that is 42. The probability of getting plus and minus sign are equal here. Again, alternate hypothesis, that is ha mu is not equal to ha, that is 42. The probability of getting plus and minus sign are not equal. Okay, the procedure is a common for the single sample scientist and large sample scientist here. So then next one is here immediately setting suitable significance level here. So 8 to 5% LOS, 95% is a confidence level, that is critical value is 1.645. I have written here 645. Why? Because I have written 645 means here 5% is given here. 5% is here. This is a 5% here. Okay. So instead of 5%, just I will write here 0.05%. So please note down this one carefully. So when these 5%, if these 5% is divided by a 100, okay, 5% is divided by 100. So once check it, 5 divided by 100, then you will get a 0.05. 0.05. That is the reason only I have taken here 1.65. So here Z critical values is here 0.05. When the percentage is given 5% in this way, 5% is given. So immediately what we have to do, 5 divided by 100, then you will get a 0.05. Then the Z value is 1.645. 1.645. That is the reason I have written here 1.645. This value is the Z critical values. Don't go for the confusion from where the values came. Okay, this is the 1.645. The next test criterion, since in the given problem it is observed 32 samples are there, that is n greater than or equal to 25, so apply the Z formula. That Z formula is here. Okay, you see the Z formula. Z is equals to x minus n into p naught divided by under root n into p naught into 1 minus p naught here. Okay, this is a root. Okay, this is a root here. X minus n into p naught. Okay, divided by under root n into p naught into 1 minus p naught. So this is the way we will write in the test criterion. The given formula will be written in this way. Then immediately the same question will be copied. Yesterday already we have copied we know the process of doing calculation also. So here doing calculation, you observe 32 values are written. Okay, see 32 values are written. You observe carefully. Ages in years. Okay, ages in years. The next one is here. Average value is here. 42 is the average. So with these 42, we are comparing 56. 42, 56 minus 42, that is here plus sign. So the number which is greater than 42, we consider as plus sign. So here 62 is a bigger number than 42, the plus sign. 61 is a big number, plus sign. 54 here plus sign, 52 plus sign. Then 32 is the 42 when comparing with that number. So it is less than. So we I have written here minus sign, minus sign, minus sign, then plus sign. Then here 42 and 42 are the equal number, that is the reason here 0, then here plus, here plus. Okay, you observe carefully. Then again all the values here, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign. In this way we have to give the all this sign here. Then in the small sample, what we have done here, s is equals to minus sign we have written. S is equals to minus sign. See here, s is equals to minus sign. But in the large sample, we have to write, we have to consider plus sign only. X is equals to how many plus sign are there? 14 plus sign are there. In large sample method, we are following this one. But in small sample, we have to write simply s is equals to how many minus sign are there. That minus sign we need to consider in a small sample. Okay, that is the this is important point here. Then after simply you have to write result here, number of plus sign here 14 plus sign are there, number of minus sign is here 17, and number of zeros, that is 1. Then total is a 32. When we do, the total is a 32. Then next one here, this is a principle here. So we have to simply implement into the principle. So x here x value is 14, and n into p naught value also given here. So we will check once the p naught, how to get the p naught value. So z is equals to, this is a formula, z is equals to x minus n into p naught under divided by under root under root n into p naught minus 1 minus p naught. So x value is the, we need to consider x is equals to 14 only, that is a plus sign here. N value is, how n stands for how much here? 31 are there. 31 means here the 0 will be discarded. The plus sign values and minus sign we need to consider. Plus sign values are 14, minus sign values are 17. So when we add both these values, that is 31. So generally in the given question, 32 values are there. See, this total is the 32. Just simply we are discarding here. The 0 is not considered because 0 is a number. It is not a sign. That is the reason we are ignoring this 1. So 31 is the n. So here p naught, according to our probability distribution chapter, p naught stands for probability of success. Always the probability of success is 1/2, and q naught, that is the probability of failure, is 1/2. When we add 1/2 plus 1/2, that is p plus q. Okay, p plus q is equals to 1 is equals to 1. So here only the p value is there. That is the reason only I have taken 1 by 2. Okay, or instead of 1 by 2 you can write 0.05. That is up to you. So you observe carefully here. Z is equals to x. In the place of x I have written 14. In the place of 31, here n 31 is written. Then p naught is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, then next one divided by 31 into 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. In the place of p naught, simply we are writing here 1 by 2. So that is the reason I have written 1 by 2 here. See, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. After doing calculation part, you got the value 0.538. This is a value. Z is equal to 0.538. So then next one. Okay, after getting these values 0.5, see 0.538. After getting these value, what you have to do, simply go for writing the see, this is the decision rule. This is the decision rule is the most important here. So you observe carefully. The calculated value Z for left tail test at 0.05% LOS. So here don't write this symbol, that is percentage symbol. Okay, LOS is 0 minus 0.538. Okay, you observe carefully. Minus 0.538 is the Z value already we got when we calculated, which is less than the critical value minus 1.645. The null hypothesis is rejected. Hence, there is no sufficient evidence against H naught. In other words, the claim that the median age of the mathematics for faculty in the state community college, it is 42 years, is valid. So you listen carefully how these minus 1.645 is came here. Minus 1.645. Okay, already we have seen. So you observe carefully, and the testing suitable significance. We have written critical value is equals to 1.645. 1.645 we have written. So here, when we got the Z is equals to negative value, that is the reason we have written here minus. Okay, we have written minus 1.645. Generally, when you observe at setting suitable significance level, the critical value for 0.045 Z critical value is 1.645 is a positive value we have written. If the answer, the Z value is negative, in negative, that is minus 0.538, then simply we have to write in this way minus 1.645. So here then immediately we have to draw this normal distribution curve. That is in this way the critical curve will be drawn. So this is the we call it as the average, that is x bar. So here 0 will be commences here. This side is called right tail test, and this side we call it as a left tail test. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side all the values are written the positive values, and this side we will write the negative values. 1, minus 1, okay, minus 2, minus 3, next minus 4, minus 5. In this way we will write. So according to Z value, minus 0.538 is there. So it stands the left side here. It will be there in the left side. See, this is the left side part, we call it as left side. So 1.645 will be here. So this is the place. Okay, 1.645. This value we need to draw in this way. Based on this normal curve distribution, we will decide that say here 1 point minus 1.645 is the Z critical value. So we have to take the decision in this way. Okay. This is a process of doing large sample sign test when it comes under single sample sign test.